Now we have Goldie with Talkie Sports. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, and thank you.
Okay, so the first question for you is, so far 8-bit के सारे lineups काफी consistent रहे हैं. So इस बार के lineup में आपको क्या चीज different लगी है?
I think this is one of the finest lineups in 8-bit, which I think Mercy has pulled out a very good job in finding these talents. And Somraj and company के बारे में we have no doubts. उनकी past performances, achievements have been miraculously great. And all the players and S Power का जो addition हुआ है, I think that's made the team a complete team. Obviously, OG played exceptionally well, but we are very, मेरी मर्सी से बात हुई थी, who manages everything and takes care of the company. I think he's very confident on the upcoming tournament, and we have no doubts on these guys about their performances and their strategy and everything. Somehow misses हुए इस tournament में. I think Somraj is great enough to understand all those misses, and they've got a good team. उनके coach है, they know technicalities better, कहाँ गलतियाँ हुई. I'm pretty sure that Somraj will come back and make us proud again once again.
SATL India को represent कर रही है in EWC, right? So कैसे जा रही हैं चीज़ें, क्या-क्या न्यू चीज़ें सीखने को मिलेंगी? What's your thought on that?
So SATL का official run EWC में as a competitive scenario में तो end हो गया कल with EFC, and we finally secured 400 club points, which I think as a newcomer and first partner team is a great job from our side. I think with the given time and the problems we faced at such a global mammoth level, competing against the giants who have been into the game since last 20-25 years, जिनको देख के हम लोग भी sports obviously सीखे हैं. I think competing against them was just a dream, and winning against them was actually a history for a lot of titles with us. But obviously next year हम लोग और better, अगर हमें मौका मिलता है तो और better करेंगे, improvise करेंगे. I think the journey has thus opened up space for a lot of new titles. ये समझ में आ गया कि इंडिया में जो players हैं, esports enthusiast है या upcoming gamers है, उनको सिर्फ एक दो titles से नहीं, उनको if things are displayed in a good manner, लोगों को समझाया जाए, if things are taken globally, I think India has a big potential of being one of the biggest market in India for not just one or two titles, for a lot of multiple titles. And I think with this EWC, after this we might see a consequent rise in player base across various titles which we have not seen so far.
Now coming to Team Soul, especially recently performance थोड़ा सा down रहा है, and team थोड़ा struggle भी कर रही है, as we all know. अभी आपका क्या approach होगा for that?
जो necessary changes थे we have made in the team. We've got new Nakul already existing, जो हमारा player था, is now IGL, followed with Goblin, Legit. So the Joker का I think return वापस आया, and Joker has played with them a lot of time. Joker is a very talented guy. Abhi we are putting a bet on these four players, with Nakul being the IGL. Next tournament अब announce हो गया है. I think next week से उसके playoffs शुरू हो जाएंगे. And I hope they do what they're capable of. All four of them, Nakul, Legit, Goblin and Joker, they're amazing talents and we don't doubt them. So we've just put a bet for this upcoming tournament on them, and we hope they don't disappoint us and the fans who root for them wherever they go.
Now coming towards Nakul, so जो Nakul है वो अभी Soul के IGL है, right? So is he the permanent one or the team is actively looking for some other IGL too?
So जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, obviously this is एक pilot project की तरह हम बोल सकते हैं, because we had very short time and the new tournaments were announced already, क्योंकि आईकू का अभी जो लैंड चल रहा है and इसके और अब नेक्स्ट BGMS के बीच में ज़्यादा टाइम है नहीं. And I think IGLs who are stick to their dream, कोई भी नहीं चाहेगा अपनी टीम छोड़ के, अपने प्लेयर्स छोड़ के नई जगह एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का. So with the fact that the players stick together, जो साथ में खेलते आ रहे हैं, and नकुल को थोड़ा बहुत IGLing का एक्सपीरियंस है, we are pretty confident that they'll do some good things to keep us and the brand Soul उसके एक legacy को continue करेंगे forward, and we hope कि Nakul emerges as a great IGL in the coming future.
Okay, now moving forward to the next question. There's no doubt कि जो SATUL है it's one of the most successful in esports industry, right? So आपके future plans का रहेंगे from business perspective?
I don't think मतलब हम अभी अपने आप को बेस्ट मानते हैं. I think there's a long way to go. It's audience perspective है. लोगों ने हमें जहाँ बिठाया है, they have put us to the spot. But I think wherever we are right now, it's just because of the love and support of audience and the way we try to function our org. तो content creation में हम लोग अच्छा कर ही रहे थे. And I think the only thing which were lacking were esports. And I think like Thug said कि जैसा esports दिखाएंगे किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं था, and we've proved it right. And we have a lot of new projects coming up for the people who want to make some future in their gamers के लिए. And हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि नई गेम्स को बहुत पुश दे और अपनी तरफ से जो सपोर्ट सिस्टम बनेगा. SATL is planning to do something big for those people who are coming into new titles. And मैं सारे sources के थ्रू ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि if you are esports enthusiast or a gamer, just don't rely on one game. Try and give your efforts towards various titles. इंडिया के बाहर जिस टाइटल में जो इंडिया में सबसे फेमस टाइटल्स है, इंडिया के बाहर they are not valued as much as the other titles are. I think that's now it's time and people have seen it कि कितना millions and millions of dollars का प्राइस पूल रहता है बाहर दूसरी गेम्स के लिए. I think people should start grinding, not दूसरी गेम्स को भी. We never know, we find out another champion of any game from the country. Obviously India is full of talents, so we're hoping कि अगले 1-2 साल में we find out good talents from India.